Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a timeless and universally loved recipe, hot dogs. Whether it's a quick snack, a barbecue must-have, or a fun meal for the family, hot dogs are always a hit. They're simple to make, endlessly customizable, and perfect for any occasion. In this video, I'll show you how to create the perfect hot dog, from the juicy sausage to the flavorful toppings. Let's get started. Ingredients: 4 hot dog buns for sausages, your choice. Beef, pork, chicken, or veggie butter or olive oil for toasting the buns. Toppings: mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, diced onions, sauerkraut, shredded cheese, relish, pickles, jalapenos, or chili optional. Step 1. Choosing the sausages. The key to a great hot dog starts with the sausage. You can go classic with beef or pork, opt for a lighter chicken sausage, or try plant-based options for a vegetarian twist. Choose high-quality sausages for the best flavor and texture. Step 2. Preparing the buns. Hot dog buns are essential for holding everything together. For the best results, use soft, fresh buns. Lightly toast them to add a subtle crunch and prevent them from getting soggy when loaded with toppings. You can toast the buns in a skillet with a little butter or olive oil, or place them on the grill for a smoky flavor. Step 3. Cooking the sausages. You have a few options for cooking the sausages depending on your preference and equipment. Grilling. Preheat your grill to medium heat and cook the sausages for 6-8 minutes, turning frequently for an even char. Boiling. Place the sausages in a pot of simmering water and cook for 5-7 minutes. This method keeps them juicy. Pan frying. Heat a skillet over medium heat, add a bit of oil, and cook the sausages for about 5 minutes, rotating to ensure even browning. Step 4. Assembling the hot dogs. Now it's time to put it all together. Place a cooked sausage inside each toasted bun. From here, you can add your favorite toppings to customize your hot dogs. Here are some ideas. Classic style: mustard, ketchup, and diced onions. Cheese lovers' delight: melted shredded cheese and a sprinkle of crispy bacon bits. Chili dog: a generous spoonful of chili, topped with shredded cheese and diced onions. Spicy kick: jalapenos, hot sauce, and a touch of mayo. Vegetarian twist: add grilled veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions for extra flavor. Step 5. Presentation and serving. Once your hot dogs are assembled, serve them immediately while they're still warm. Pair them with classic sides like coleslaw, potato salad, or chips for a complete meal. Don't forget to set up a toppings bar if you're serving a group, so everyone can create their perfect hot dog. Try it out, share your creations in the comments, and let me know which toppings you chose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.